how to change the username of your Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change your Windows 11 username. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change our Windows 11's username, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open the settings app. It's very simple. Right under settings, under system, at the very top, you'll find the current username. And all you have to do is just click on this little yellow rename button over here. Just click on rename button and it'll ask me to simply rename it. So all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually enter the new username that you want to change to. Click on next, and then right over here, after the changes has been made, your username will be successfully changed. If you want, you can go ahead and then also restart your PC and restart later or whatever else. I'll just select restart later, and then your username should be successfully changed next time onwards. And that's it on how you can change your username of your Windows 11. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.